If you're a snow lover, watch this video because our next major weather maker is starting to line up for the end of January, a really good signal for a snowstorm between January 24th and January 25th. Our ensemble models are already showing a decent probability of picking up over an inch of snow, and from about 8 to 10 days out, this is a very strong signal from our ensembles. That means that there's a good enough model consistency that something is going to happen during this time frame. For the details, stay tuned here for more weather updates. I'm going to be tracking this very potent setup as we go throughout the rest of this week and throughout next week.